Guys, check out this amazing yacht. It's like a cruise ship of some sort. South Beach Lady. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Angler Boy T Black checking in with a whole nother video. And I want to let you guys see these nice big jumbo shrimp. Today we're going to be fishing for, you guessed it, mangrove snapper. The rig I'm going to be using today is super simple. This is 12-pound mono, 2 half-ounce egg sinkers, meaning 1 ounce, and then a size 6 long shank mustad hook, guys. And then I'm going to be taking these fresh dead shrimp, hooking them one time down through the back, going all the way through, and bringing it one time through there and back down, guys, just like that. Come on, take it. Got him, guys. Got him, guys. Smallest one of the day, look. Barely hooked. Don't fall off, don't fall off. Check that out, guys. Really small little mangrove. Micro mangrove. See you, buddy. Oh, got one, guys. I think. Oh, yeah. Another mango. Nice one. Nice little guy. Hit that thing like a ton of bricks. Look at the birds coming over. Back away, guys. He made it. Yes, he made it. Look at the birds, guys. They're really vicious today. Oh yeah, that's promising. That's a promising cast. Come on, big mangrove. Oh, he took the head off my shrimp. Be a smashingly big one. Pull it. Take it. Pick it up. Got him, guys. Wherever he is, I got him. Oh, it's a mango. Another mango. This is probably like number 5, guys. See you, buddy. Got him, guys. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Whatever it is, it's a nice. No. A freaking grunt. What a big one. We are. Look at that grunt, guys. ¿Tú quieres? I'm gonna give this one to my friend. ¿Y your número? Your name?
Mi nombre es Luis.
Guys, I just want to say thank you all for watching. I'm not going to be here much longer. After I pack up everything, guys, this might be the last cast. So I want to say thank you all for watching.